Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to find the apps. Let's tap. Now let's tap on all apps and choose this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. We have to simply wait until the process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.